Hey out there, County Nation, this is Tobin at Virtual Storefronts, and we are going live for the very last time. It is coming up on 3 o'clock on Sunday afternoon. This is the very last day of our campaign, week-long campaign to raise money at wefunder.com/virtualstorefronts.com. If you haven't purchased equity, made an investment, today is your last day before midnight. So I'm going to introduce myself. We're having a slightly different format today. We're going to do a quick heart-to-heart and cover something that we talked about, that I talked to with Dawn in church today that I can't believe we haven't covered, but it's the reason why we start with why virtual storefronts exist. Quick background, I worked for 20 years in Minneapolis and in Manhattan as a commercial photographer using some of the best technology tools and enterprise tools available to corporations. And when I made virtual storefronts to bring an affordable enterprise solution to the smallest businesses in this country to solve the problem of website and SEO, because I saw that there was a real need for that technology in this space. The big tech companies are not solving this problem. They just kind of have a blind spot. So we're here to solve that problem. And we know that it's a sin to know what you ought to do and then not do it. So we have the skills, we have the ability, we have the enterprise level thinking, and then we have a real need for an underserved merchant population. So we made it our mission to serve the merchants that serve our communities because we saw that they needed to be served. That is a really important service that we provide. And we do our mission by making your local local merchant more efficient and more productive in a way that no other company in technology has done. That is radical. And it's a big need, and we are dedicated to this mission of serving local merchants. That's why we do this. Our guiding principles about the work that we do are reflected in Luke 6:38, which says, "Give and you will receive. Your gift will return to you in full, pressed down, shaken together to make room for more, running over and poured into your lap. The amount you give will determine the amount you get back." So we are putting our all into this because we know that what we put into this project that has true value to serve people, what we put into this, we will get back from it. And that is that is really motivating. It's to not use that gift is a sin. Our path as a company is not guaranteed, but we know that we're guided by the right principles to do the work that we need to do and to prosper. All we can do is guide ourselves with the right principles. There's a saying that I can't find attribution for that says, "I don't know what the future holds, but I know who holds it." So as long as we are focused on doing the work that needs to be done for the people that we serve, we're confident that this is an enterprise worthy of pursuing. And that's why I have dedicated my work to getting this country, which does not have the yellow pages for the 21st century, online. It's a worthy mission, and it's worth doing. If you'd like to join us, we do have some younger males from YouTube joining us. Recently we had Hunter Wood and Jacob Danforth. They're thinking big, like we're thinking. So if you believe in our mission to serve the people who serve you in your community, if you believe in that mission, you can join us and help us serve all these people who are underserved cross-country that need a website solution that's the lowest cost, fastest delivery, and least amount of work. Thanks for watching. Tonight's the last night at midnight, 12:01. You can no longer join us. So we would like you to join now. wefunder.com/virtualstorefronts.com will get you there. All the links you need will be in the description of this video. If you have any questions, you can send Facebook Messenger messages to me. That's it. So if you want to join us on this journey with a lot of other great people, including a lot of merchants who have invested, because they see why we're here to solve this problem, then I think it's a worthy cause. I know that it's a worthy cause. We're putting Main Street online and giving a franchise enterprise solution, franchise level marketing solution to the smallest businesses for $199 a year or $18 a month. That is a good thing to do, and we would love to have you join us. That's all I got. That's it. That's about 50 Facebook Lives wrapping up on day 7. This is Sunday. This has been a blessed raise, actually. I know you all think it's very frenetic, but I've really appreciated your attention. I've appreciated all the people who have shared, all the people who have invested. We had Andrea, my niece, invested. She was gifted an investment for her graduation. Congratulations, Andrea, on your pending graduation from SCAD, which is Savannah College of Art and Design. It's been an ordeal. It's been fun. It's been a discovery. It's been a real process, like just going through all of this, like pitching every day. So I will not be blowing up your feed every hour next week on Facebook, but we're here. We're right here in Andrews. We're right here in the United States, ready to do this job. So we would love to have you join us. Until next time, over and out.